In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can hide the desktop icon in Windows 11 in 2026. Let's get started. First thing, you can literally do this in one click. Right click here, view, and you see this show desktop icon. You need to uncheck this, and every icon here on desktop, it should be gone. And now you guys are in focus mode. But yeah, most of you guys want like this because you need some icons. Now let's say that you guys just wanted to delete recycle bin and this PC. Now these are the two icons that you guys cannot delete this. Like you can see that even if I press delete button, it won't do anything. To hide an icon, you need to right click and go to personalize and then go to themes. Then here is a desktop icon. Click on this desktop icon setting and you can see that now you can delete this or hide this basically, and click on apply. It should be gone, and now you can only use your essential icon that you guys needed. All right, or if you guys just wanted like alternative or reverse this, like computer and recycle bin, that's just you guys wanted, and you wanted to delete everything here, you can select, or you can still organize this. I would say like you can create a new folder here. Let's say apps. All right, and then you need to drag and drop there. There we go. And you can drag this as well. It's not dragging in your recycle bin computer. And there you go. We have now literally a static computer right now. We have app folder. Now whenever that you guys wanted to click open up the app, you need to go ahead and open from here. All right, let's say I wanted to open up the Brave. There you go, I can open that. And however, you can still delete this if you guys don't want it to. For example, let's say I want to, let's unmove this. All right, you guys can still delete this icon because deleting this icon will never delete your apps. For example, let's say CapCut. I delete this, you can see that. I will empty this recycle bin. However, now we can still get this app from your start menu, and you can still pin this. You can still create the shortcut by opening on the location file. You can see that. Now you can send this to your desktop, and your CapCut will be back. Basically, I created a shortcut for web. Sorry for that, because I have CapCut web and CapCut desktop. But yeah, same thing goes for CapCut as well. This is a CapCut web that I have done for application. I need to right click and open the file location, send this to the desktop, and there you go. Now we have a CapCut desktop once again. Well, it's pretty simple, right? Now alternatively, you guys can pin your apps to the taskbar. For example, let's say for this free download manager, you can simply like delete this. I don't need this on my desktop window here, and just search your FDM or whatever app that you guys wanted to pin that. Just pin that on start, or you can pin that on your taskbar. I have pinned that on taskbar, and you can add over here if you wanted to. Right click and pin to start. There you go, and I can open FDM from here easily. There we go. So yeah, this is how you guys can organize your desktop if this look really cluttered. Like I have given you all the tips that I use basically, and I hope this video helps you out on organizing your desktop and making it aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.